If you've adopted Autofac as your dependency injection tool of choice, you've chosen one of the more powerful yet easy to use DI containers out there. But you still need to know how to properly implement it in your applications. Now, ASP Core has become all the rage, but you shouldn't feel left out if your organization hasn't moved to it yet. This is the course to watch if you want to learn how to implement Autofac in ASP.NET applications. Like any good tool, part of its power is in understanding the little details that may not be that obvious, and you've come to the right place to learn that. You'll get an Autofac primer and then jump right into plugging it all into an ASP.NET application. And I mean an ASP.NET application that contains both MVC and Web API use, and we'll make all of it Autofac aware. And because Web API has more than one way of being used, I'll show you how to implement Autofac into OWYN-based Web API services too. But DI usage is more than just registration and resolve. The power of what you can do is extended by applying some design patterns to your application. And I'm going to show you how to use Autofac-based decorators to apply DI in places you may not have thought possible. I'll also show you how to plug Autofac into areas of ASP.NET beyond controllers. I'm talking about MVC and Web API filters as well as OWYN-based middleware components. And coverage of ASP.NET in full would not be complete without talking about web forms, Microsoft's first ASP.NET platform that still keeps a large user base. And yes, Autofac is compatible with that as well. So join me on this whirlwind tour of Autofac usage in all things ASP.NET and get ready to have fun and to spiff up your applications with the power of dependency injection through Autofac.